Hi y'all, Bree the Brat here. I have the Cool Shoppin Barbie counter. I don't have the Barbie and I don't have a lot of the accessories, but I just wanted to show you the counter because it makes some sounds and stuff, and it has these interesting little things where you can scan something. So isn't that cute? It has a little handle there for Barbie to hold, and she could scan something. And it has this little place to hang up clothes. And it has a little cash register where the drawer doesn't stay closed. But what are you going to do? And it has this cute little phone Barbie can hold. And I don't think the phone does anything. No, but the cash register. This one sticks a little bit. And then I don't have a credit card that goes with it, but let's see the credit card slider.
Credit approved.
Isn't that cute? It has some cash. Can put some cash in the drawer, and let's put some of that cash in the drawer. So hang up these hangers. It had a little display rack, but the top part is broken off. So you just have the bottom part and one of the perfumes. Ah, I knocked over the perfume. Trying to get all the accessories up. Looks like pretty much Barbie usually spends $96 when she's shopping, because she don't go cheap. And it has this little top thing for the store that would sit on like the little box, I think. And I have the instructions, so you know how it works. All right, see you later. Bye.